Airports are often just the starting point of our journeys, but what if they could be destinations themselves? Ever wondered what the world's most stunning airports look like? From mesmerizing glass domes to eco-friendly green spaces, these airports redefine travel. Join us as we unveil the top 8 most beautiful airports in the world, where every layover is a visual treat and every takeoff a stylish affair. Sit back, relax, and get ready to explore some of the most spectacular airports on the planet. Changi Airport, Singapore. Changi Airport in Singapore isn't just an airport, it's an architectural marvel that has transformed the travel experience. Known as one of the best airports globally, Changi blends cutting-edge technology with lush natural elements, making it more than a transit hub. The centerpiece is the Jewel, a stunning dome housing the world's tallest indoor waterfall, the Rain Vortex. This 40-meter waterfall cascades through the glass dome, surrounded by terraced gardens, offering travelers a refreshing oasis right inside the airport. Changi sets itself apart by creating a stress-free and enjoyable environment. It features various indoor gardens, including a butterfly garden, the first in any airport worldwide. These tranquil spaces let travelers relax and connect with nature while waiting for flights. Plus, Changi boasts a rooftop swimming pool, free movie theaters, and art installations, ensuring passengers are entertained throughout their stay. Sustainability is also a key focus. The airport uses energy-efficient systems like smart lighting that adjusts based on the time of day. The green spaces not only enhance the traveler experience but also help reduce the airport's carbon footprint. With multiple terminals connected by smooth transit systems, travelers can easily navigate the airport. Each terminal offers luxury shopping, world-class dining, and relaxation lounges, catering to every need. Premium services like private lounges and spa treatments ensure all travelers are well taken care of. Changi's blend of nature, technology, and sustainability has turned it into a global destination in its own right. Beijing Daxing International Airport, China. Beijing Daxing International Airport, nicknamed the Starfish due to its star-shaped design, is a remarkable architectural feat. Opened in 2019 and designed by the late Zaha Hadid, this futuristic airport symbolizes China's ambition and innovation. The terminal's 5 arms radiate from a central hub, creating a unique layout that's both efficient and visually stunning. Spanning over 700,000 square meters, Daxing is designed to accommodate up to 100 million passengers annually when fully operational. The airport's design ensures travelers can reach their gates within minutes from security, reducing walking time significantly. The spacious, open-plan design minimizes congestion, allowing for a more relaxed experience. Visually, Daxing Airport is a masterpiece. The flowing curves of the ceiling, inspired by traditional Chinese architecture, create an airy environment. Natural light floods the terminal through massive skylights, giving the interior a warm feel. Advanced glass materials enhance aesthetics and energy efficiency by regulating temperature. Sustainability is central to Daxing's design. The airport incorporates solar panels, rainwater collection systems, and energy-efficient heating and cooling, reducing its carbon footprint. Inside, passengers can explore high-end shops, restaurants, and art installations. Exhibitions showcase traditional Chinese culture, making Daxing not just a transportation hub, but a cultural center. Hamad International Airport, Qatar. Hamad International Airport in Doha, Qatar, epitomizes luxury and sophistication in air travel. Since opening in 2014, it has set new standards for what a world-class airport should be. Its stunning architecture combines sleek modern design with traditional Qatari elements, creating a space that's both welcoming and visually breathtaking. Art and culture are integral here. World-class art installations like Urs Fischer's 23-foot-tall lamp bear are scattered throughout the terminal. These pieces enhance the traveler's experience, turning the airport into a cultural destination. Designed with luxury in mind, Hamad International offers amenities that go beyond typical airports. The award-winning Al Mourjan Business Lounge provides fine dining, private nap rooms, and shower facilities. The Vitality Wellbeing and Fitness Center includes a swimming pool, gym, and spa, allowing travelers to unwind during layovers. Shopping and dining are equally impressive. From designer boutiques to duty-free shops, HIA caters to every shopper's desire. Dining options range from casual cafes to gourmet restaurants, offering both international and local cuisine. Technologically advanced, the airport features biometric scanning for faster security checks and automated baggage handling. Committed to sustainability, it focuses on reducing environmental impact through energy-efficient systems and water conservation. Incheon International Airport, South Korea, where innovation meets nature. Incheon International Airport, located near Seoul, South Korea, beautifully combines cutting-edge technology with natural elements, creating a travel experience that goes beyond the ordinary. Since opening in 2001, the airport has continually evolved to handle millions of passengers annually, transforming layovers into enjoyable mini vacations. The terminals are flooded with natural light and feature lush indoor gardens, providing a calm and refreshing atmosphere. One of the most remarkable aspects of Incheon is how it integrates nature into its design. Passengers can relax in indoor gardens with waterfalls or find peace in the eco-garden. The Garden of the Future, an indoor forest, offers a unique escape into nature, making the airport feel like more than just a transit hub. It's a destination in itself. Technologically, Incheon leads the way with innovations like biometric check-ins, automated baggage handling, and smart security checkpoints. AI-powered robots roam the terminals, providing assistance in multiple languages and improving both efficiency and the passenger experience. The airport also excels in cultural immersion, offering a glimpse into Korea's heritage. Travelers can explore the Korean Culture Museum or enjoy live performances of traditional music and dance. With luxury shopping and diverse dining options, including international and Korean cuisine, the airport caters to every taste. Whether you're just passing through or starting a journey, Incheon International Airport offers a perfect blend of technology, nature, and culture, setting it apart as one of the world's top airports. Kansai International Airport, Japan, an island of innovation. Kansai International Airport, built on an artificial island in Osaka Bay, is a stunning feat of engineering and design. Opened in 1994 and designed by Renzo Piano, the airport addresses Japan's land shortage while standing strong against earthquakes and typhoons. Its sleek, futuristic terminal, with a curved roof, blends beautifully with the surrounding sea. Resilience is at the core of Kansai's design. The airport is earthquake-resistant and constructed to endure powerful typhoons, ensuring smooth operations even during harsh weather conditions. Passenger experience is another highlight. The terminal's layout minimizes walking distances, making it easy to navigate. Open spaces and high ceilings allow natural light to flood in, creating a bright and airy atmosphere that enhances the travel experience. Architecturally, the wave-like roof is both striking and practical. It channels rainwater and resists strong winds, while extensive glass panels offer travelers panoramic views of the ocean. Sustainability is also a priority at Kansai. The airport features an advanced energy management system incorporating solar panels and rainwater harvesting to minimize its environmental impact. Kansai International Airport is a perfect blend of cutting-edge design, resilience, and sustainability, setting a new standard for airports worldwide. Denver International Airport, USA. Art, mystery, and innovation. Denver International Airport, or DIA in Colorado, is a unique blend of cutting-edge design, art, and a dash of mystery. Opened in 1995, its iconic tent-like roof resembles the nearby Rocky Mountains, making it instantly recognizable. Beyond its striking design, DIA is famous for its captivating art installations, enigmatic murals, and even conspiracy theories that intrigue travelers. Art plays a big role at DIA. Visitors are greeted by massive murals, sculptures, and interactive exhibits, including the 32-foot-tall blue Mustang with glowing red eyes. The murals depict complex, thought-provoking scenes that mix art with social commentary, making the airport a gallery in its own right. Adding to its mystique, DIA has become the subject of conspiracy theories involving hidden tunnels and secret symbols. While officials have debunked these claims, the airport has embraced the intrigue by addressing the rumors in tours and exhibits, making it part of its unique appeal. Technologically, DIA is forward-thinking, with one of the largest solar power arrays in the US and advanced baggage handling systems. Passenger amenities are top-notch with luxury lounges, spas, diverse dining options, interactive children's areas, and live music, ensuring an engaging and enjoyable experience for all travelers. DIA seamlessly combines design, art, and innovation, setting itself apart as an airport full of wonder and creativity. Marrakech Menara Airport, Morocco, a fusion of tradition and modernity. Marrakech Menara Airport in Morocco is a stunning blend of traditional architecture and modern design. As travelers arrive, they're greeted by a facade that combines intricate geometric patterns, latticework, and expansive glass panels, reflecting the city's unique fusion of history and innovation. The airport's exterior showcases white concrete adorned with traditional motifs, while the interior features open spaces and high ceilings that beautifully merge local craftsmanship with a contemporary aesthetic. The atmosphere is both elegant and welcoming, embodying the spirit of Marrakech. Technologically, the airport is fully modernized, offering advanced check-in systems and efficient security that ensure a smooth, hassle-free experience, all while preserving its architectural charm. Sustainability is a key focus at Marrakech Menara. The airport incorporates eco-friendly elements such as energy-efficient lighting and natural ventilation, significantly reducing its environmental footprint. Art and culture are woven into the airport's design, with installations that highlight Moroccan craftsmanship and tradition. Travelers can also enjoy panoramic views of the Atlas Mountains, adding a breathtaking natural backdrop to this remarkable travel hub. Marrakech Menara Airport seamlessly blends culture, technology, and sustainability, creating a truly unique travel experience. Oslo Gardermoen Airport, Norway, the eco-friendly marvel. Oslo Gardermoen Airport, located near Norway's capital, is a model of sustainability and sleek modern design. As Norway's largest airport, it's renowned for its functionality and commitment to eco-friendly initiatives. Sustainability is at the heart of the airport's operations. It uses geothermal heating and cooling systems, significantly reducing its carbon footprint. Energy-efficient lighting and solar panels further emphasize its eco-conscious approach, making it one of the greenest airports in the world. The architecture reflects Scandinavian design principles, featuring clean lines, natural materials, and open, airy spaces. Locally sourced wood and stone create a warm, inviting atmosphere, while floor-to-ceiling windows offer stunning views of the surrounding forests, connecting travelers with Norway's natural beauty. Oslo Gardermoen also embraces technological innovation. Automated check-in kiosks, biometric passport control, and advanced baggage handling systems streamline the passenger experience, ensuring both convenience and efficiency. The airport's amenities are equally impressive, with spacious lounges, high-end shopping, and diverse dining options that highlight both international and Norwegian cuisine, offering travelers comfort and luxury. Oslo Gardermoen Airport stands out for its perfect combination of sustainability, design, and cutting-edge technology, providing a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. And there you have it, the top 8 most beautiful airports in the world. From Singapore's lush Changi Airport to Oslo's eco-friendly marvel, these airports prove that travel can be as beautiful as the destinations themselves. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.